Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Aprilia RS 660 Trofeo first look. So make sure to watch the full video. After a successful introduction in Europe 2 years ago, the Aprilia RS 660 Trofeo makes its way to America in limited numbers for 2023. A track-only motorcycle, the 2023 Aprilia RS 660 Trofeo has features you won't find on a street bike. Let's review what makes this track bike built by Aprilia Racing. The dual overhead camshaft parallel twin puts out 106 horsepower. Part of the power boost comes from the titanium SC Project exhaust system and sprint filter air filtration. The fairing is fiberglass and specific to the Trofeo. Behind the fairing sits a thin film transistor display to control the electronic aids. You still get traction control, wheelie control, and electronic compression braking adjustments. There is a track mode that delivers a full complement of information. A colorful array of buttons on the left handlebar allow manipulation of the electronic aids at high speed. The chassis enjoys a broad range of upgrades. The riding position is lower than the clip-ons are adjustable thanks to racing triple clamps. The rear sets are also adjustable. That's an Öhlins AP 948 shock on the track bike. It features a remote reservoir and full adjustability. An Andriani Mazzano cartridge fork kit upgrades the stock unit. Like the shock, the fork internals are fully adjustable. Pirelli Diablo Super Corset SP V3 SC1 rubber gets the Aprilia around the track. A 120 by 70 front and 180 by 60 rear do the business. The Brembo brakes are an upgrade over the units found on the street-going RS 660. A Spider front brake lever guard protects you in the heat of battle. If you're looking for a key, forget it. This is a track-only motorcycle. The new Trofeo tips the scales at 337 pounds until you add fluids. Carbon fiber is abundant. Aprilia isn't saying how many Trofeos are being allocated to the United States, so be prepared to snap one up quickly. The Trofeo has a list price of $21,000. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.